Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're gonna make over IKEA cabinet with the plants. Recently I moved from my small apartment to my boyfriend apartment. So big changes, and also he's plant lover, so I thought I'm gonna update you a little bit since you're gonna recognize different background for sure. For now, let's back to the first plan. So we're gonna make over our cabinet. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start with take out all of the plants, and we're gonna wash them, right?
Yeah, clean them and spray alcohol on them just to be sure. Because we found, what is it called? Spider mites on one of the plants. So,
Yeah, we found.
yeah, at least we think we found
Yeah.
on the Sabrina.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, I think let's start this party.
Should I hold this one?
Yeah. This is so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna have to wash everything. Also, we did some repotting today, and we repot also some new plants. So now we're gonna decide which plants are gonna be in a cabinet, and also we're gonna put setup. We gonna use this one and some grid. Yeah. What else?
Well, that's about it, I think.
Okay then. So we're gonna start from
I guess we're gonna start from...
moving fan
Yeah, we start from the top.
and lamps.
Yeah, maybe something like that. Can you give me the shelf?
I think since we're gonna have a fan, I mean humidifier, that's gonna be good here.
Yeah. I'll try to move this a bit more. Yeah, so now it's just gonna be like a small part that hits the shelf. It's gonna be fine.
Perfect.
This one, I think. Can you give me the? Yes, thank you. Wait a minute. I was gonna cut these. Can bring this one forward a bit.
Wow. Okay, it's good.
Yeah, so both are leaning inside now, to the shelf. So
Yeah,
we get
perfect.
light here, we get light like everywhere except this one.
Show me one more time.
Nope.
Like this?
Yeah, exactly. Then I'm gonna try.
Or maybe I can give you.
Yeah. And then where should we place the fan?
Philodendron. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna place our zebrina. I guess we can place here maybe.
This one?
Oreogina. Oreogina can be maybe here. Yeah. Yeah, maybe this one here. Now I need something small. This we can hang.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, my horse.
Should we have this hanging or climbing up?
I think hanging.
Yeah?
Mm.
You wanna wait with those?
Mm. Perfect. Like here.
Yeah, exactly. Wow,
So we can also place something here.
yeah. Maybe this one.
Yeah. Perfect. Eller?
Yeah, it's really good.
Mm.
On the shelves. We want them hanging.
Oh, we can put them here, so we can have like got access to them, checking them. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. But maybe down. And remember, we have a plants. Maybe you can take one trace, and we still have a plants in kitchen. I will pot the new ones. Wow, this looks awesome.
Yeah. You wanna start with these ones?
Mm-hmm. But how I'm gonna hang them? Oh, they need to have a pots under.
If you're gonna hang them, we're gonna hang them like this, and then when you water them, you have to like remove them.
Oh, okay.
I'll give you everything, and you can just decide which one to go.
This
Hmm?
alocasia. Just be here. Oh, I need something water. They are not dry.
You don't want to water them after?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking what to put it. Here? We can have a here one more plant. Or maybe this extra begonia gonna get some more color here from kitchen, the small one. The red, the purple. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something here maybe, like small one.
Mm.
This one.
Yeah.
Maybe one here. One here.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Mm.
Mm. Amazing.
Are you happy?
Yeah. It looks so good.
Okay, so now we have a full setup. Yeah, we managed to fill up cabinet. So I think now it's gonna be so much better. And this shelves, actually, it's super good here, I think. Right?
Yeah. And also the clips. I
Yeah.
got the idea from that Sydney guy.
Yeah, that's true. Very good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks amazing, everything. Yeah, I repot this Hoya listada, begonia listada. I hope it's gonna manage to grow in the soil mix. So yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it and you like the new setup and new apartment. Soon I will update you with a new plant tour with plants and whole walkthrough through collection, which is growing, and it's very nice to see it. So thank you so much for watching, and see you the next one.